Hello friends, welcome to my channel. I'm Lucia. Today let's talk about how to use chopsticks easily. First of all, what is the user-friendly, beginner-friendly chopsticks? We have various types of chopsticks. For example, the materials. In China, the most common used chopsticks are the bamboo chopsticks. Because in the ancient years, the chopsticks are also used as a cooking tool. The bamboo material can be more heat resistant than the metals. We also have plastic chopsticks and metal chopsticks, where metal chopsticks are more widely used in Korea. First, as a beginner, I highly recommend you to have a bamboo chopstick. The bamboo chopsticks are less smooth, so it's easier for you to hold things. And also, it's lighter, so it's easier for you to hold this chopstick as a beginner. Also, we have different lengths of chopstick. You can just choose the medium length. And for the thickness or to see the diameter of the chopsticks, I highly recommend you to avoid the very thin chopsticks that will be hard to hold and hard to operate as a beginner. Now, let's talk about how to use the chopstick. Here is a pair of chopsticks. For a chopstick, we have two sticks. Let's talk about how to use it for right hand, left hand, one by one. We generally hold it like this and move it like this. We generally only move the upper stick. This is the moving stick, and the lower stick is never moved. This is the supporting stick. Let's talk about how to hold them one by one. This is the moving stick, the upper stick. We hold it just like how we hold a pen. And then we move it to about the upper 1/3 of the chopsticks. This is the moving stick. We can just practice with the one stick first for this moment. And after this, we can add the supporting stick. So for the supporting stick, we hold it like next to our ring finger. We never move this stick. And then we add back our first stick. Yeah, this is the way we hold this chopstick. And this is how we move the chopstick. And we get things like this. I will also talk about it by left hand. So there are two sticks. The first stick is the moving stick. The second stick is the supporting stick. First, I hold it for you. It's like this. We only move the upper stick and we never move the lower stick. Let's talk about them one by one. So when you're holding your first stick, the upper stick is more like holding a pen. And you move it about the upper 1/3 of the chopstick. This is the movement. I highly recommend you to practice with one stick first. After that, you can add your second stick. This is the supporting stick. So the supporting stick stays next to your ring finger. It's like this, and you never move this stick. Then we add back our first stick. Look, you will hold your chopstick just like this, and this is movement. You only move the first stick. And this is how you get your dishes, get anything else, just by these two fingers.